Hi, in front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then select Manage Passwords. Click on Google and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit. Finally, after entering your login method, tap on Edit button. Then change wherever you want to. When you finish, click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my login and passwords has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!